Hey folks, are you looking to supercharge your Wi-Fi speed by switching to the faster 5 GHz network on Windows 11 or Windows 10? Let's get started. Tutorial steps. Step 1. First, make sure your router supports a 5 GHz network. Most modern routers do, but it's good to double check. Step 2. Right-click on the Wi-Fi icon in your taskbar and select Open Network and Internet Settings. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on Wi-Fi on the left-hand side. Step 4. Under Related Settings, select Change Adapter Options. Step 5. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Properties. Step 6. In the Properties window, click on the Advanced tab. Step 7. Look for an option called Preferred Band or Wireless Mode and select 5G or 802.11ac from the drop-down menu. And that's it. You've successfully switched your wireless network adapter to the faster 5 GHz network. Tip for troubleshooting. If you don't see the 5G option, it might be due to hardware limitations. Ensure your device's Wi-Fi adapter supports the 5G band. If not, you might need to consider upgrading your adapter for faster speeds. There you have it, a quick and easy guide to switch to a 5G wireless network adapter on Windows 11 or 10. Enjoy the speed boost. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.